Well, I've got a couple of young dogs here we're going to take to the back side of the pasture over here and let them go get about 25 head of heifers. And from where the camera is to where the dogs are going to get the cattle is way over a quarter of a mile. And as a matter of fact, it's a quarter of a mile from fence to fence on that place where they are down there. I'm talking about from right to left. So they went the bigger part of a quarter right there to get behind them. This is a couple of young dogs. The male dog is 14 months old, or 15, somewhere in there, and the female about 17 months old. They're a pretty nice pair of dogs. The cattle are obviously up against that fence, and they're not pushing their way down that fence to try to get them out of there, but they will in a minute. They're trying to get around there. As you can see, the dogs are working hard behind and staying behind like they should. When they get up here to this gate, I'm going to lay them down. I don't know if you can see, if you can pick that up or not. I doubt it, but nevertheless, I'm going to lay the dogs down so the cattle come on in the fence or through the gate there like they should. We got them on the way now. We're going to put them in the pen and work them a little bit.
Bye. Bye.
The little black female there is named Judy, and the male dog is named Toby. And Toby is not nearly as selective about his biting as Judy is. Judy goes to the head all the time, and she's pretty selective about her biting, but she does a good job.
Sit down.
Toby's not nearly so selective. Toby will get mean sometimes and bite unnecessarily, or at least he bites, let's say he's not always necessarily looking for the head if they give him any problem.
Wait back. Wait.
I'm going to put the cattle up in this corner here, and I'm going to let the dogs bring them out of the corner just to show you that they will push their way up in that corner and bring them out of there. Like I said, this is a pair of young dogs. They make a pretty nice pair.
Sit down. Down.
They didn't have to do a lot of pushing there.
Down. Down. Judy, come here, Judy. Sit down. Come here.
These dogs are not totally trained. They're just what I call good started farm dogs, ready to go home with somebody and go to work.
Get up.
We're putting them back in that corner there so they can have a little harder job about getting them out of the corner.
Come on. Get up. Sit down. Sit down. Judy, sit down.
They'll have to chew their way in there now.
Away. Shh, away. Toby. Wait.
See what I mean about Toby? He likes to bite one, and he didn't go to the head like he should have, but he is a head dog. He will dadgum sure eat that nose off if they give him a chance.
Just a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and run these cattle out. Shh. Sit down.
Pretty nice pair of dogs. They'll lay down and get up when I ask them to.
Judy, come on.
Most of the time.
All right, that'll do.
We hope you enjoyed the show. We thank you very much.
Come here. That'll do. Come here. That'll do. Okay.